Hi, I'm Peyton Finelli, the Freshman and Sophomore Advisor. I'm here today to talk about our New Crusader Workshop. The New Crusader Workshop is aimed for any student new to Catholic High School who'd like to come learn a little bit more before they come for orientation. At our workshop, we aim to be fun and engaging, but also educational. We talk about the policies, some skills such as note-taking skills, and we have a lot of fun while doing it. Our goal with the New Crusader Workshop is to help students feel more confident and comfortable when they come for their first day of classes, to help either them be able to navigate the halls because they remember when they came and did tours with us, or by helping another Crusader because they learned something fun at the workshop. We encourage all incoming Crusaders to join us for our workshops, and we look forward to seeing you this summer. The workshops are one day, free, no charge to any students, and they're from 8 a.m. until noon.